Hello everyone, I want to invite you to attend my new online course, a crash course on risk identification. So on this course, in a very quick pace and simple way, I want to teach you what is a risk, how do you identify risk, and I will explain to you 5 techniques of information gathering and 2 techniques that are more analytical ones. And then finally, I will teach you in a very simple way what you should include in the risk description. Risk is not just a name, so you must write it properly. That will allow you in the future to analyze and respond. It's a crash course, a very quick course, and I hope you enjoy it, have fun, and make a good use of it.